All right, cool. We're about to work on Savvy Shots Photo, and let's make that screen wider. And what's cool about this is that this is a responsive site. So to log in, you will go to you type in URL dash WP dash admin, hit enter, takes you to your login page. You would just put your username and your password in. Okay. Okay, great. Now, once you're in, it's a little back end. This takes you back to the actual website. You will post. This is what you're going to need to do. If you want to post any comments, you can do it here. And how you post, you click on that. You just hit add, and you give it a title. Very simple. Hello. You put your information in here. Just like Word documents, you can edit here. You have more features if you're going to single display post title over feature image. You can assign the format how you want it to be, and you can assign a set featured image for the post, and then you publish. We're not going to publish, we're just going to move this to trash because we don't need any, you're not doing any posting on this site. Photos, this is where you're going to be, your portfolio. Click on your portfolio, you have all your projects in here. Okay, you can go back and edit a project. Okay, if you want to add or delete photos, you click on the actual slide right here, go to edit, and you have your photos in your gallery. If you want to remove, you just hover over the X, click on the X, and it's gone. All right. If you want to add to the gallery, just click add, and it will. So you can go and add images from your media library, which is here, or if it's not in here, you can upload and then select it and add it to the gallery. Very simple. Once your gallery is edited, you just update. You want to make sure you project type. You want to select what type of project it is. You can put a description more in here. Project subtitle, you can give it some name here. Same thing. Additional way to add more images. Project navigation, so that means you can add it to navigate to where you want it to go. Back to photo page, same thing here. This takes it, always click on this back to photo, so it takes it back to the photo portfolio. Takes you back to your portfolio. Add an image. This would be the image that's your project image that shows in the main page, and you want to add something here which goes to your main page also. Now, in order for the gallery to scroll with the arrow key, you click on this, you go here, have to go and add the gallery settings, and that's how I was able to fix that problem. And make sure it's on media file. Media file is what allows you to the light box to scroll in and out. So you always make sure when you create your gallery that media file is selected. Beautiful. Then you hit update and it automatically goes. Okay. Let's create a gallery. Let's create a portfolio. I'm just going to do a sample. We're going to call this a test. And we're going to add media right here. Okay. Click on the media that you want to add. I'm just going to take some random, hold shift down. Shift, see how it's continuing by holding your shift key. Okay. I'm going to create a gallery. Here's my gallery is created. And then create a new gallery. Now inside my new gallery, these are the images that we have. Ready to go for my new gallery. And you want to make sure this link is set to media file and insert. Here it is again, it's inside the area. You want to select an area you want it to be. I'm going to leave it blank for now. Hit publish. And let's see view. And there it is. I click on that. The thing that you requested was the moving the arrow back and forth. See, move the arrows back and forth. Okay, just like that, just by clicking on your arrow. That's good. Let's close it. Take you back to the main screen. Remember, we didn't put any main image here. What do we have to do to put an image? We have to what? Set what? Feature image. Okay, always have to log in for security purpose. Okay, so we understand the photo. Appearance, the only area you need to mess with is right here, theme options. You have all your general settings in here. We're on open lightbox. We're set. I already set this up for you. Don't mess with that. Social media, you can. You can always go here and add more cool things. More social media branding, all in this area. Style, you don't need to mess with this. Style sheets. Portfolio is already set. Okay. Miscellaneous, it's already set. Okay. Plugins allows you to do updates. So if you have some updates, you just click on all your plugins and you hit update. Okay. You have no updates right now. You don't have to mess with any of these things down here. Stay away from this. So your main area will be appearance. Okay. If you want to add menu, we can do that later. You click on the menu. Right now you just have these basic pages. If you want to add another page, first you have to create the page and then add it. So if this was the page I created, I hit add and it automatically goes to the main menu. This is your main menu. Okay. You don't have to worry about that just for now. Pages. These are all your pages. Do not delete any of these pages or mess with any of these pages. I will leave these pages alone. Okay. Media, we know how to upload pictures. You just add. Okay. Now let's go ahead and delete that portfolio we created. Here it is, tests. I went back to portfolio. I'm going to click on test and I'm going to trash this because that was the test. Okay. Done. Post. We're going to mess with that. I think that's basically it. We're set. I'm going to go here and take a look. Click on the first page. Now you want to hover. It's still loading. Click on that. And let's see. Beautiful photos. These are nice. These are the light box. I'm actually scrolling with my mouse or with the keypad back and forth. Beautiful. Escape, close it out, take you back to your home page. Alright, and that concludes our tutorial. Let's have fun. Go ahead, let's make some money. Is there any